5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
In this snip, I'll demonstrate how to install Chocolatey, commonly referred to as Choco, using Windows PowerShell. There are a few ways to go about the install, but in this snip, we are going to stick to using PowerShell. Before we get started, I want to reference a quick list of requirements to make this successful. Number 1, Choco supports Windows 7 or higher. Choco also supports Windows Server 2003 or higher. Number 2, your machine must run Windows PowerShell version 2 or higher. However, please note that at this time of the snip, Microsoft has deprecated Windows PowerShell version 2 and Windows Server 2003 has reached end of life. Last but not least, your machine should have Net Framework 4 installed. If you don't have this installed, don't worry. Running the Choco installation will try to install Net Framework 4.0 for you. Now let's get started. First, let's open a PowerShell console as administrator for this demo. Don't mind me, I'm using ISE. Next, let's validate the execution policy in PowerShell. Just type Get-ExecutionPolicy. By default, it should be set to restricted. Given Choco is installed from a script invoked from the internet, the official Choco installation script will set the current policy to bypass. Set-ExecutionPolicy bypass / scope process.
That's fine. You don't have to do this one. Actually, let me modify this. Okay.
First,
Review.
You can always revert back to defaulting setting by typing Set-ExecutionPolicy / execution policy default after the installation of Choco is complete. You should take the caution anytime you run scripts from the internet, but this one is legitimate. For more information and source code, please visit chocolatey.org. When ready to type in the following command into your shell and press enter, you will see some verbose output showing on your console, showing progress of the script and its tasks. Now wait a few moments for the command to complete. If you don't see any errors, your installation was successful and ready to go. Type Choco or Choco - and you will see the output of Chocolatey help section. Now that we are all set and ready to consume software packages from the Chocolatey repo, be on the lookout for another snip regarding how to use Choco. This was how to install Chocolatey and the package manager for Windows using Windows PowerShell.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.